Bonjour beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Learn French with Adhya. In this video, I'm back with a fun exercise based on tenses. As you might remember, we did present tense recently and future tense that was kind of like months ago. So yeah, this is gonna look into those tenses and sort of revise. I'm pretty sure solving perfect tense for you might be easy, but future tense is something we did way before. So yeah, let's revise together. All right, so the exercise is change these forms of faire. Faire is a verb which means to do in French. So you have to change faire first into the perfect tense and then into the future tense. Over here in red, I have written the formats of it. I'm not sure if it's clearly visible, but then I'll read out to you. For perfect tense, the format is avoir, which is avoir conjugation according to whatever pronoun is used over here, plus the past participle of the verb. So over here we have faire, so the past participle of that. For future, we have aller conjugation and the infinitive. However, make sure that you remember that for future tense, faire is an irregular verb. So we have different infinitives for irregular verbs in French, future tense. So if you want to know more about the irregular verbs in future tense, check out my video about future tense, because over there we've discussed all the irregular verbs and their conjugations, so it will be easy for you to solve this one, right? So let's get started. The first one, let's start with il fait. So now, what's the avoir conjugation for il? It's a. So, il a fait. That's the past participle. Then, if I change this into future form, that's aller conjugation plus infinitive. So that's il fera. So how did I do that? So the aller conjugation means adding a at the end for il. That's the rule. Okay, and the infinitive is faire. As I told you, since it's irregular, it won't be following the normal infinitive rules, right? Then we have nous faisons. So the avoir conjugation for nous is avons. So nous avons, and since it's nous, the past participle of faire would be fait again. Alright, and then if I change it to future, the aller conjugation would be nous ferons. So usually for nous, it will be ONS, and for vous, it will be EZ in irregular verbs as well. But obviously there are exceptions in that as well. But nous and vous, it's like really easy to remember because most of the words, like even more than half of the verbs in French follow that rule of nous having ONS and vous having EZ. So it's also like really easy to identify the pronoun that's being used if you just have the verbs which have like ONS at the end and EZ at the end, because if they do have that, then it's nous and vous respectively. Yeah. Then we have tu fais. So the tu conjugation for avoir is a. So it will be tu fais. One thing to remember, because the past participle is based on the verb, and since the verb is same throughout this entire exercise, the past participle will also remain the same. Alright, and now if I change this into future tense, it will be tu feras. Alright, so we just added an as. That's the aller conjugation. So you must have been seeing over here the entire time. FER is the infinitive, and aller is the ONS, ONS, and AS is the aller conjugation. Yeah? Then we have je fais. So je, the our conjugation for je is j'ai. So je fais. Okay? And then if I go to future tense, that will be je ferai. Okay, then we have vous faites. So vous, vous conjugation for avoir is vous avez. So vous avez fait, and now if I change it to future, that will be vous ferez. Alright, then we have the last, but certainly not the least, elles font. That will be elles en fait. En is the avoir conjugation for elle. Also remember, I've said this multiple times. Even though this is ELLES, it's plural, but still it'll be pronounced as L, same as the L one, like the singular one. Alright? Yeah, now if I change it to future, it will be elle feront. Okay? So yeah, that's it. This was so easy, right? So anything that follows rules and you know the rule, it really becomes easy for you to solve in French. So that's not really complicated. The only thing you have to do is make notes of the rules when you learn it with me. Yeah, I hope it was fun for you. Let me know if you want similar exercises for this topic or for any other in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to make them. I'll see you all in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with everyone. See you guys next time. Bye bye.